Welcome to Garuda Academy software testing series. If you are not till subscribed, please subscribe, click on bell icon, then you will get latest updates about software testing series videos. Our agenda of this series is to cover manual testing, automation testing, API testing, rest assured, and also our updates software testing jobs. So please stay connected with us. Let's see our today's topic. Today's topic is STLC. STLC stands for Software Testing Life Cycle. It is the most important process in the software industry. In software testing job interviews, it is most asked question. Please explain STLC. What is meant by STLC? Tell me the phases of the STLC. How in your organization STLC process starts. Explain step by step. Let's see. STLC is a systematic process of software testing which includes the phases as test initiation, test plan, SRS analysis, test scenario design, test cases design, review, preparing testability matrix, test case execution, defect logging, retest, regression testing, test summary reports. Let's see one by one phases. First phase is test initiation phase. In this phase, project manager is involved. He prepares one document called as test responsibility matrix. He focuses on scope and objective of the project, all requirements, risk related to project, and these all things are included in this document. Once the document is prepared, then he forwards this document to the test lead. Then next phase is test plan phase. Second phase is test plan phase. In this phase, test lead is involved. He prepare test plan. In test plan includes job allocation, means the all requirements and which requirements we are going to cover in which sprints are included in this. Resource allocation. Resource allocation is nothing but who is going to cover or who is going to done the testing for particular requirements. And estimation. Estimation means start time and end time of the sprint. Once the test plan is prepared, then it is reviewed by project manager, client, and then finalize the test plan, and the final test plan is forwarded to the testing team members. Then next phase is SRS analysis. Once the test plan phase is complete, then in next phase we as a software test engineer go through the SRS document and try to understand each and every requirement. If any requirement is not understandable or confusing, then we discuss with the colleagues, seniors, developers, business analyst. If business analyst is not resolve the issue, then after taking the permission of the project manager, we communicate with the client and try to understand each and every requirements. Once we understand all requirements and all requirements clear, then we move to the next page, that is test scenario design phase. Test scenario phase. In this phase we design or we prepare test scenarios using user stories. We prepare positive as well as negative test scenarios. First, test scenarios nothing but what to test. It includes the functional requirements of the application. Once the test scenario is prepared, then we move to the next page, that is test case page. Next page is test case. In this page we are write test cases for the application derived from the test scenarios. Test cases is nothing but how to test the application. It is the navigational steps. For example, there is a login functionality. The test cases steps are like launch browser or open the browser, enter username and password, click on login. This is the navigational steps for test case. Once test scenarios, test cases are prepared, then next page is review phase. There are 4 types of reviews. Self review, we review written test cases, test scenarios by self, it's called as a self review. Then peer review, we send test cases, test scenarios to colleagues to review these documents. They check all test cases, all steps are written or not, any scenarios miss or not, any steps are missing or not, and then they give a review comment. Then next, internal review. In internal review involves test engineers, product owners, developers. They review the test cases and test scenarios and give comments. External review. In external review, product owner, developers, testers and clients are involved. In most of the organizations, self review, peer review and internal reviews are involved. Then next page is traceability matrix. First, traceability matrix is nothing but it is a mapping between business requirements and prepared test cases. It is also called as a requirement traceability matrix, RTM. Purpose of this task is, after test case review, if any test cases are missed, then we are going to find out by preparing traceability matrix, is there any test cases or test scenario requirements are missed or not. There are 2 types of traceability matrix, forward traceability matrix and backward traceability matrix. Forward traceability matrix is done before executing the test cases, and backward traceability matrix is done after executing all test cases. In backward traceability matrix, we find that is all the test cases are executed, all the requirements are covered, then we move to the next page. Next page is test execution. After preparing traceability matrix, we execute all the test cases and try to find out each and every possible bugs and log that bugs using bug tracking tools. There are so many bug tracking tools like, for example, Chira, HPLM, TAPS and like on. Then we move to the next phase. Once the all the bugs are logged, then developer fix that bug and give us a modified build. Then we perform retesting. Then we confirm that the bugs are fixed or not. If the bugs are fixed, then we close that bugs using bug tracking tools. Then next page is also we perform regression testing. If developer change the code, then we check that there is any impact on the existing functionality of the application due to code change. For that we perform regression testing. Then next page is test summary. After all these pages, we send the test summary to the test lead, then test lead prepares test summary reports and then do a sign off. It's all about the software testing life cycle. In software testing life cycle, in, it is a very important concept. It is very essential to have a knowledge of software test life cycle. It is one of the most asked question in interviews by employers because software test engineer works in this flow. That's why he need to have the knowledge of the STLC process and its all phases. There is one quote: job opportunities are like buses, and there is always another one coming. Till date, there is less vacancies in the software testing or software industry. So just try to improve your knowledge, skills, give time to the improve your skills. Jobs opportunities are like buses, one goes, one comes, so never disappoint, never give up. Try your best. In upcoming time you get a good jobs opportunities. Stay patient. Thank you for watching this series.